Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make your video look warmer or cooler in Canva? The temperature setting lets you adjust the overall color tone of your video. Increasing the temperature can add warmer tones, while decreasing it can create a cooler look. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change video temperature in Canva Mobile. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Then select video. Canva offers several video formats you can choose from. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. You can also open an existing project if you've already created one. Choose a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find Adjust, then tap Adjust. A list of adjustment options will appear. Swipe through the adjustment options until you find Temperature, then tap Temperature. A temperature slider will appear. Drag the slider to adjust the temperature of your video. Move it to increase warmer tones or adjust it in the opposite direction for a cooler look. Continue adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're finished, tap the X icon, then tap the checkmark icon. The new temperature setting will be applied to your video, and that's how to change video temperature in Canva Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.